Hello and welcome. My name is Jesse and I share tips, tricks, resources, and guides that help scientists communicate their research more effectively. No matter whether you're trying to launch a business, accelerate your career, or just share your passion in a given area, I think that there's a lot that scientists and other technical professionals can learn from marketers. I started creating content for the internet back in about 2016 and then have been writing and creating content since then. I was actually able to turn it into a career in 2021 when I was hired as a marketing professional at a science-focused company, which was great for me. Since then, I've turned into a massive marketing nerd, consuming basically all of the information I can on audiobooks and podcasts and all of that, and then also having side projects and freelance work in order to develop my skills. My website and YouTube channel are focused on capturing all of that information that I've gleaned from my self-education and practice and sharing it in a format that is useful for scientists and to other technical professionals. I think that people in these areas are really not taught the importance of communication. You kind of have this impression that the best idea and the best theory kind of wins out in the end. I don't really think that that's the case. I don't think that is borne out by the history of the real world, and I think that it's really important to understand the importance of communication, and there's a lot that these folks can learn from marketing about how to communicate their ideas more effectively in order to affect whatever change they're looking to see in the world. If you want to follow everything I write, be sure to subscribe to my newsletter, and you can also, of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel as well to see the videos that come up there. If you want to work with me, I provide a variety of services, including freelance writing, editing, coaching as well. You can see the most up-to-date information about that on my website. You can also contact me if there's something there that you would want to work with me about, but it isn't listed. Feel free to contact me anyway. I always like working on weird projects with interesting people, so be sure to hit me up if you fall into that category. Feel free to reach out to me through my email address. I'm jesse.inbox@gmail.com, and then you can also connect with me on LinkedIn. I'm fairly active there as well. That should answer most of the questions about who I am and what I'm doing here. I really appreciate any support that you can offer in the ways of sharing my content or recommending it in other ways. But yeah, no, I really appreciate your support, and other than that, just have a great day.